This is our 3-meter length sanitization tunnel. Being safe is more important today than ever before. As a business that is still operational today, we have several of our employees that are still going out, working on construction sites, visiting different other offices, and all coming back to the same accommodation facility. So over the last couple of weeks, we've been getting in touch with several companies to get a sanitization gate system. We got in touch with several vendors, both in Dubai and abroad, and all of them came back to us with either very ridiculous prices or lead times. That's when we decided we have to make our own in the best interest of our employees. So this particular prototype that we made is constructed out of a very basic square aluminum profile and wrapped with a PVC banner. We've made it as a 1.2 outer width. We have our hose along with these nozzles which give pure mist. The water pump that we're using for this particular booth is a 4.1 litre, which is more than sufficient in terms of giving a full mist across the whole length of the tunnel. So each booth will come installed with this PIR motion sensor. Once the sensor is triggered, the motor gets running. Once the motor gets running, the mist is activated. That way, when it's not operational or you don't have anyone pass through the sensor, everything stops and we don't waste any water. So the base that you're meant to walk through is a very basic metal mesh, which is ready-made in the market, and so is the mat which we are going to have on top of this. It's a straight out of the shelf product that we will have, so it will be a rubberized mat which will soak your shoes as well. After constructing it, we realized how simple it is to actually fabricate, which is why I'd like to recommend any sign fabricator or aluminum fabricator to please start fabricating these. If anyone is interested for production drawings or construction details or even supplier information for every single component, we're more than happy to provide them to you, and you can get them by just getting in touch with projects@brisigns.com. So for those businesses that would like to have one of these booths installed at your facility, we're more than happy to come in, install the whole solution for you. We're going to have two models, one at 3-meter length and the other at 2 meters. The 3-meter length model will be priced at 10,000 dirhams, and the 2-meter length model will be priced at 8,000 dirhams. If anyone is interested in having the solution installed, please get in touch with sales@brisigns.com, and we'll be more than happy to submit a quotation and take your order and come and install them for you as quickly as possible. I'd like to use this opportunity to say thanks to our amazing production and R&D team for coming together and developing this product within such a short period of time. If anyone out there requires any information or advice, please get in touch with the email address below. Until next time, stay safe.